What up? So today we're at the Home Depot, parked far away. You already know the vibes. So we're gonna get out, and we're actually here to get some self tappers because today on the G37 we're gonna be installing my new mesh grill, which I will show when I get home. So yeah, let's go and head on inside and get myself some self tappers because we're gonna need that. The OEM ones will not work. Alright guys, we ended up getting some goo off. I need that to remove the residue from my roof spoiler that I sanded down and clear coated in one of the last few videos. I also got these self tappers for the grill, and I also got an extra one just in case those were the wrong ones, but let's hope these are the right ones. Picked up some Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 paint primer in a white color because I'm going to be painting the emblem white to match my new wheels, which were in the last video. We took off the front bumper and now we're gonna move it into the garage so I have a little bit more shade to work in, and we're gonna start removing the OEM grill and putting in the carbon fiber grill. Alright guys, so we have the OEM grill off the bumper now, and we're gonna be installing this carbon mesh grill. So we're gonna have to do self-tap screws here, right in the middle, and then on the other two sides right there. So I got the grill mounted up, and I still need to do the self-tapping screws. I think that's why there's a gap right here. But once this part gets lined up with the hole back there, it'll lift up like that. It has a bit of a gap, but that's to expect with aftermarket. And honestly, I don't think it'll be that noticeable once I put it on the car. I'm gonna put on some polishing compound onto the intakes while the bumper's off, just to make it look a lot cleaner. That looks so much better, guys. Now we're gonna put on the bumper and see the finished product. Alright guys, it's actually the next day and we finished the install on the carbon fiber mesh grill on my G37, and it shows the intakes off nicely. It makes it look a lot more aggressive. There's a gap right here, but that's to be expected with aftermarket. It'll never fit like OEM. So we're obviously missing the emblem, and that's going to be the next thing we're going to do. We could just put it on and have a chrome emblem, but I think I'm just going to paint it white. It's going to match my Nismo wheels really nicely. And it's going to go right here in the middle where the brace is for the grill.